Just imagine that the Pandavas, they had their wife, Draupadi, she is incarnation of goddess of fortune, and friend, Krishna, who is always protecting them, but still there are so many dangers. This is the instruction, that because Krishna is protecting you, you cannot expect that you will be out of danger. Danger you must meet, because then you will know that this material existence is full of dangers. This we always remember. We should not be so fool that I am living very now comfortably. No, sir, you are in danger. That is said by Krishna. Do not take this material existence comfortable at any moment. Then you will not be able to make progress in spiritual life. As soon as you think that I am very comfortable here, then you are spiritually fallen. We are always in danger, and we should always think of the lotus feet of Krishna, then we are safe. Otherwise, it is very dangerous. We should not be afraid, because this place is dangerous. We should expect always danger, but if we are faithful to Krishna, expect help from Krishna, then Krishna will save you.